everybody. Today I'm going to be pouring on some more Christmas ornaments. These are the ones that are kind of traditional ornament shape, round balls. But today I'm going to try to do some ring pours or striped pours on a few in some alternative not Christmassy colors, because sometimes you just get tired of red and green, and alternative color schemes are, at least have been in the trend. I don't know what's cool. I don't know what's hip. But I'm going to, I think they're more like kitty, kind of like fun pastel, bright colors. I think I'm going to layer my paints in a little Dixie cup, and then pour them on another Dixie cup like this and tilt them. So I've got, let's see, medium magenta. I've mixed up these paints a while ago, so I just gave them a quick stir. They didn't look separated, so that's good, because I leave them with saran wrap or press and seal, covering them up. Then this is just silver by Liquitex. I think it's good to separate your dark colors. This is, I'm not, Prism Violet by Liquitex. Yeah, they got a little thick while they were waiting for me to actually use them. Silver. And then this is Turquoise by Artist Loft. Let's do, I don't have a lot of silver. If I keep doing this, I'll need to make more, but maybe I will try a different thing after I use up the silver. I've got some gold too. White's also an option. Okay. All right, let's just do, because these are circles, I'm gonna try to do a traditional ring pour in the middle, and then I'll do a traveling pour. Maybe, since these are tiny, I won't need much paint. There we go. Gloop, gloop, gloop. This one, mostly purple. Let's just stop it there. Purple and pink, also a favorite of mine. Stretch it, pull it back, kind of get the edges, pull over the edges, and then I don't want this section because it is all purple. So let's stretch it out and let it run off the edge. And it's pretty easy to get the top, I don't know what you want to call that, filigree or something, a little detail at the top of each ornament with the holes where you're going to put the string eventually. This is a lot, so I'm going to tilt a little more off. Ooh, that's kind of fun. I like that it got swirly. Scrape. I need some paper towel. And I might do some dips like I usually do with these. I usually just go through when the paint dries and clear them out of the little holes at the top. There's number one. I like how the pink was in there. Actually, the blue was what didn't look like it was there right away. Let's do another one like that. Maybe with a little less paint. I was just trying to get more colors. The other reason I do kind of a travel is you get your paints kind of, oops. What am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say. This is hard to do while talking. This one I like. Ooh, I kind of like when it looks like there's stripes back and forth, because a lot of times these ornaments, these ball-shaped ornaments, just have stripes on them. I've poured on plastic, actual round ornaments the past couple Christmases, which are pretty, but I think these are going to travel better, and I'm going to mark them pretty cheap to buy at my craft fair that's coming up. That one's nice. The one in the middle, try to get a little less purple this time. Nope, still purple. These are like unicorn colors. Especially like it with the silver. This got a mess, so let me jerk that off. Kind of different. That's pretty. Kind of swirly. I like a swirly. Do another one of those. This time, try to get my finger in there so I don't drip it. That's how you do it without that mess. Ooh, this one's more pink. Magenta, I should say. More blue coming through on that one, or turquoise. Kind of looks like a clouds at sunset, sort of. This one, it's getting a little more mixed together. I'm going to do stripes across, like this. That's the best way to get stripes that aren't gonna become swirls or hard to predict. Just straight pour it directly across is really the best way to get stripes. Chip that off. Then they look like planets. Galaxy pours and planet pours are pretty popular. I just try not to do pours that I want to specifically look like something, because it never works out, in my opinion. Well, now I'm annoyed because my iPhone camera turned off 5 minutes after I started, and I did it for 20 minutes on this camera, so you can have a weird view of it, but you can see the ones I did. I'll give you a close-up later. These were all just ring pours or a straight kind of stripe pour. Which one was the stripe pour? Those look different now. Anyways, I was babbling to myself about what to do next. I think I will do a dip in this paint before it gets too mucky. So I usually try to center, not move around too much, but if you don't have paint wide enough, you won't cover the thing. Okay, there's a dip. Those don't get as dirty on the back. Now my hands don't work. Okay. Put that over there. Here's the dried ornaments, the purple, magenta, and turquoise paint colors in the bright sunlight through a dirty window. So here in the top row are the ones I did with silver separating them. I don't think this is the exact same order I poured them in, but mostly ring pours. Maybe that's the stripe pour. This is definitely the dip. It's all muddy. And then I added the colors again with gold in between them, so we got a little bit more reactive kind of almost cells there. You can tell how textured these are because of the wooden base. I need to paint the tops. This one looks like a rose and I love it. I don't know if I could recreate that. And this one's just mostly gold because that was at the bottom of the cup. You can tell though there's like those dots are blue, so there must have been blue in the cup. And then I did purple, white, and gold kind of stripes, kind of loops. Oops, it's shadowy. So kind of some non-traditional colors if you are tired of red and green for your Christmas tree or just household decorations. Let me know what you think. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more Christmas stuff this year. Thanks.